Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tweak Library. This is Shivani. YouTube search and watch history makes it easy to find videos you recently searched or watched. But it can also expose your YouTube activities to anyone using your phone, and anything they search or watch can also mess up your video recommendations. In such cases, the pause search or watch history feature is extremely handy. Any videos watched or searched while history is paused won't show in your history or searches. So without further interruption, let's learn how to prevent YouTube from recording your video searches and the videos you watch. On YouTube, go to Library tab and tap History. At the top of your library page, tap on 3 dots and choose History Control. Then just pause, watch and search history by enabling Pause Watch History and Pause Search History buttons in the list. If you liked our video, then give us a big thumbs up, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel.